In travel news for March 28, 2023, we talk about a proposed law that would put abusive air passengers on a no-fly list. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. The United States government is currently evaluating a potential law that would prohibit airline passengers who have been fined or convicted of severe acts of physical violence from boarding commercial flights. The main goal of this proposed legislation is to prevent further incidences involving disruptive passengers and to enhance the safety of both crew members and passengers alike. A group of bipartisan lawmakers has unveiled plans to reintroduce the Protection from Abusive Passengers Act. Under this proposal, the Transportation Security Administration would be responsible for administering a no-fly list specifically for those passengers. The TSA would also be tasked with establishing guidelines for removing individuals from the list and providing flexibility in determining the duration of the ban based on the severity of the incident. The proposed legislation has received backing from flight attendants representing several major U.S. airlines, as well as representatives from the Association of Flight Attendants and the Airlines Pilots Association. This support comes in the wake of Federal Aviation Administration receiving 2,456 reports of unruly passengers in the past year and issuing a staggering $8.4 million in fines. Although the total number of reported incidences decreased from 2021, which had 5,981 reports, the proposed penalty saw a significant increase from the previous year's $5 million. The airline industry has generally been supportive of the proposed law, appreciating the government's effort to ensure the safety and well-being of flight crew members and passengers. However, the American Civil Liberties Union has expressed opposition to the establishment of a no-fly list for unruly passengers, citing concerns over the government's past record of discriminatory practices. The necessity for enhanced passenger and crew safety has been underscored by recent incidences, such as the event on a United Airlines flight last month. During a flight from Los Angeles to Boston, a passenger attempted to open an emergency exit mid-flight and assaulted a flight attendant using a spoon that had been fashioned into an improvised knife. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers unruly passengers pose to the safety of those on board and the importance of taking appropriate measures to address this ongoing issue. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.